Welcome to your guide to creating your digital masterpiece. The link from your purchase will bring you to this preview page. Click on the Use Template button to get started. If you have a Canva account, your template will load into your account, and you will be ready to start. If you do not have an account, you can create an account for free by following Canva's account setup steps. Once you are logged into your Canva account, the template will be loaded into the design page. You will hear me refer to elements during this guide. An element can be anything that makes up a design, a text box, an image, a photo, or a background. The first thing we will do is change the name of the design. At the top of the page you will see the product code. Click on this and add the name of your design. We will call this invitation Hannah's 18th as this is the invitation we will be creating. All of the elements are locked in position. This is to prevent accidental movement or removal of an element as you start with Canva. To edit an element, first unlock the element by clicking the padlock. Once an element is unlocked, you will be able to move, edit, resize, or delete that element. Do not worry if you accidentally move or delete an element. There is an undo button on the top blue bar just to the right of the resize button. OK, onto your template. Your template is made up by a number of elements. In this tutorial we will be editing some of the text and adding a photo into this design. Let's get started. First, we are going to add a name into the invitation. Click on the text box with the display name in, and click on the padlock to unlock that text box. Once the text box is unlocked, click on any of the letters in that text box, and a cursor will appear. You can now edit the text within that box. If the name you are adding does not fit in the text box, we can move the box or resize the text to fit like so. This also applies to the other text boxes in this design. Once you are happy, we advise locking it back in position so we don't accidentally move it as we continue to edit the design. We will change the age on the design to a 21st. Again, I'm going to unlock the element and change the text. Now our invitation reads 21st. Again, I will lock these in position so I don't accidentally move them as I continue to edit the design. I will repeat the process of unlocking the element to add an email address so guests can RSVP from the site into your emails account. Change the email address the same way we have changed any other text box in this template. Then select the three dots that are displayed next to the element. From the menu that appears, select the link option. This in turn will display a text box that you can put your email address into. This creates the link to your email account. You can test the link by pressing on the Open Link button. Back to the design, you can change the font if you wish by clicking on the font button on the top left. Please be aware if you are using a free version of Canva, anything displayed with a crown is a premium product and is not free to use within the free account. The circle at the top of the design is a frame. Frames are shapes you can add a photo to, and they will crop the photo to that shape. To add a photo, you must first upload the photo into Canva. Click the Uploads button on the far left of the design page, click the Upload File button, and select the image you want to add from your device. Once it has been uploaded, add the photo to the design by clicking on the photo. Then click and drag it over the frame and wait for the frame to show the photo inside the shape before releasing the photo. You can resize and move the image within the frame by clicking on the frame until the outline of the image is displayed. Once you are satisfied with your changes, you can publish your mini website ready to share with your friends and family. To publish your site, click on the Publish Website button. Make sure that the Resize for Mobiles option and Free Domain is selected, then select Continue. Next you will be asked to choose a subdomain. This is just web talk for a name for your sites. We will enter Hannah at this point. Almost done. Now you can review your mini website ready to publish. You also have the option to add a password to your site and hide your site from search engines. We want this event to be private, so I will select both. That's it. Hit publish and a pop-up will provide you with the website and password to share with your guests. This will also be emailed to the email address you used to set up your Canva account. Thank you again for your purchase, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.